There are different methods we can use for outputting data using JavaScript. The first we'll explore is the document.write method. Let's take a look at an example to see how this works. In this HTML page, we have a script that will display the result of a simple calculation using document.write. You can see here we have two values and we want to add them together, 5 plus 6. The result of this equation will be displayed in the content area of our web browser because we have attached the document.write function next to it. So here's the web browser, and we can see that the results are displayed beneath this line of text. So if we were to change the equation and save our file, it would update the value. And so it's that simple. That's how the document.write function works. Another method of outputting data is the window alert. This method will output the data in a pop-up message box. So let's replace the document.write with window.alert and see the difference. So now we can see that we get a pop-up message box with the value 13.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.